It is 9:45 on August 25th, 2025, and we're here for the budget workshop on the sheriff's office and 911. And we will start with the sheriff's budget.
Okay.
We're just going to go line by line and
All right. If I may, I just wanted to say that I saw some social media stuff, and it seems like some people seem to think that we're fighting, and I just wanted to point out that we are not. And I wanted to say thank you for you guys for working cooperatively with us, and I just wanted to point that out that we are not fighting.
No,
We are working together
the
Yep.
for a
county,
common good.
Yep.
the county works together as one team at the end of the day.
That's right.
So
I mean, we may not agree on everything all the
Right.
time, but
exactly.
progress is made through disagreement. And anyway, I just want to point out and say thank you.
Appreciate that.
So last week and over the weekend, we were kind of looking over budgeting things, and Under Sheriff has really done a deep dive. He's very knowledgeable on the budget. It's one of his main responsibilities, and I want to say thank you for doing that as well. And all right, line by line, Sheriff Fund.
Does Lori go through it normally?
yeah.
Yep.
So we'll start with salary. There we go. Elected official. So on that, you have the 3% COLA, correct, Sheriff Lindsay? And then you have without.
And I have a
Okay.
So the budget request you had requested, commissioners requested that they put in the 3% COLA. And any bumps in wages, longevities, all of that.
Mhm.
The budget officer request is without the 3% COLA.
Okay.
I'm sorry,
It does
Lori.
include-
I need to interrupt for just a second.
Uh-huh.
On the sheet that we have, where?
I think you're out of order.
Or are you out of order?
What page are you on?
I'm on 2.
There's
Um,
4, 5.
It should say funds, 19
Yeah.
It should look like this.
We're missing page. Yeah.
We lost page 3.
We're all missing page
For the
2.
love of God.
Because it's Monday, Lori.
Take a,
We can, well, I guess we can't really. We're-
it'll be, yeah, it might just be easier to get them a copy, maybe take
Yeah, I
a
can't really
few minute
see.
recess.
Okay.
What do you need?
Okay, I'll motion to recess.
Just that page, it looks like.
I'll motion to recess.
I'll second it.
All in favor? Aye.
Alright.